Welcome to Trailvia. Today we're counting down the most and least on-time airlines in North America for 2024. Which airline will come out on top, and which ones should you avoid if you want to arrive on time? We've analyzed millions of flights and crunched the numbers using the latest data from Cirium's 2024 report. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia for more travel insights. If you travel often, you know the pain of flight delays. Missed connections, wasted time, and plenty of frustration. Whether it's a missed vacation or a crucial business meeting, delays can ruin even the best-laid plans. But which airlines actually deliver on-time performance? Let's investigate the facts and reveal the real winners and losers. It's the ultimate airline showdown. Let's count down the top 10 North American airlines for on-time arrivals in 2024. Who will claim the crown for punctuality this year? Let's get started. At number 10, WestJet. The Calgary-based airline is Canada's second largest, but nearly 30% of its flights arrived late in 2024. WestJet's on-time arrival rate was just 70.9%, earning a red flag for punctuality. That means there's almost a 1 in 3 chance your WestJet flight could be delayed. Just ahead at number 9 is Air Canada, the country's largest airline and WestJet's main rival. Air Canada narrowly beats WestJet with a 71.36% on-time rate, an extremely close race. Still, nearly 3 out of every 10 Air Canada flights were delayed in 2024. Number 8 is Frontier Airlines, known for ultra-low fares and no-frills service. Frontier keeps its planes moving constantly to save costs, but this high utilization can lead to delays. A single delay in the morning can cause a domino effect all day. Frontier's on-time rate, 71.57%. At number 7, JetBlue makes a dramatic turnaround, climbing the rankings with a noticeable improvement in on-time performance. In 2024, nearly 3/4 of JetBlue's flights arrived on schedule, a big jump from less than 70% in 2023. JetBlue's extra legroom and free snacks keep travelers satisfied, making those on-time arrivals even sweeter. At number 6, Spirit Airlines surprises everyone with a major leap in punctuality. Spirit outperformed JetBlue, Frontier, and even the major Canadian airlines, with over 76% of flights on time. Despite entering bankruptcy protection, Spirit silenced critics with its best on-time rate in years. Southwest Airlines holds steady at number 5, known for free checked bags and famously friendly service. After a rough 2022 holiday season, Southwest bounced back in 2024 with major system upgrades and improved reliability. Southwest's unique point-to-point model keeps flights direct and efficient, helping the airline stay resilient and on schedule. At number 4, American Airlines lands just shy of the podium, with a massive operation and impressive on-time record. It was a photo finish. American edged out Southwest by just a fraction of a percent for the number 4 spot. Managing over 2 million flights a year is a complex juggling act, requiring incredible coordination behind the scenes. Taking the bronze, Alaska Airlines soars into the elite tier with a stellar on-time performance. Nearly 4 out of 5 Alaska flights arrived on time, just shy of the 80% gold standard. With its recent merger with Hawaiian Airlines, Alaska now connects over 140 destinations across the Pacific and beyond. United Airlines claims the silver medal, boasting the world's largest fleet and a top-tier on-time record. United broke through the 80% barrier in 2024, a major achievement for such a massive airline. With thousands of flights daily, United's global network keeps millions of travelers moving on schedule. And in first place, the champion of on-time arrivals in North America, Delta Airlines. With an impressive 83.46% on-time rate across over 1.7 million flights, Delta sets the standard for reliability. Delta celebrates its 100th anniversary in 2025, truly earning its crown as aviation royalty. If you value punctuality, Delta is your best bet for on-time travel. Here's the full ranking, from WestJet at number 10 to Delta at the very top, based on millions of flights analyzed. Surprised by Spirit's improvement? American and Southwest were separated by just a fraction of a percent. Thanks for watching Trailvia. We dig deep into the data so you can travel smarter. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia for more travel insights. Did any rankings surprise you? Let us know in the comments and keep watching Trailvia for more travel rankings.